Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. So today we are moving one step deeper into Linux. So we are going to learn something super useful and powerful, which is bash scripting. So if you are wondering what is bash scripting, think of it's like, for example, when we use Linux, we type lots of commands, right? But what if we could make Linux to do those tasks automatically for us, one after another, just by running a single file? That exactly what bash scripting helps us to do. Okay, so it is a set of instructions. Okay, we give it to the system and it will execute them one by one. Okay, without us typing everything manually again and again. So in this video I will explain what bash script is and how to create one, and we will even write a small script together so that we can see how automation really works in Linux. So let's get started. So I am creating one file, nano file dot sh. Why I am using this extension? The reason why I am using this, I will provide a separate video for this. So for now, we can just concentrate on creating bash scripting. Okay. So here I'm just typing echo hello. Okay. And I'm just saving it. Okay. To run the file, you can run bash which file? File.sh. So what it is doing, it is just printing whatever I've typed in the file. So echo is used to print something. Okay. So to print a sentence, we always use double quotes. Okay. To print the numbers, you should not use any double quotes. I'm just printing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So I'm just giving enter. I'm just saving the file and I'm just running now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 is printing. For numbers, we don't need double quotes, but for characters, but for sentence, you can use double quotes. Okay. So echo is normally used to print something. That's it. Now we will see about variables. Okay. So what is variable? Variable means it's a block, okay, that stores data. For example, let me show you. I'm just opening the file. Okay, here I'm storing a value, okay, in a variable. For example, name is equals to Sam. Something like that I'm printing. Okay. Okay. And let's see if it is working or not. It will not work because line 3 command not found. So let me open again. You should not give any space in between the variables. Okay, this is the procedure we need to follow in bash scripting. Spacing is very important in bash scripting. Okay, you should not give any bash space. And here I'm printing. Okay, what I'm going to print? I'm going to print name. Okay, so if I give see, now it is printing. Okay, how we will print the variables? We use this dollar symbol. Okay, we use this dollar symbol to print this variable. Okay, I'm not printing Sam, I'm just calling this variable in the echo command. So this is how we call it as variable. Okay, let's try another example. So here I am giving age equals to 5. Okay, now I am printing echo age. Okay, and I'm just saving it. Okay, and I'm just printing it. So now if I see, I can see the age, right? So now we will see about arithmetic operators. So what are all arithmetic operators? The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication. Okay, and then division. Okay, and then we have this power. Power means 2 power 2, 3 power 2, like that we use this, right? Right? For that, we use this symbol. Okay. So this is called arithmetic operators. So how we will do this in bash scripting? Let's see. So I am opening the file nanofile.sh, and here I am storing two variables. The first one is num1. Num1 is equals to 1. Okay. And num2 is equals to 2. Okay. And for addition, okay, I'm doing addition here. So addition equals to, okay. So what I'm going to do? I am going to, okay, this is num2. Num2. What I'm going to do? I need to add num1 and num2, right? So how can we add it? So we can add using $num1, okay, plus $num2, okay. Now I'm going to print echo. What I'm going to print? Echo $addition. Okay, this will not work, but let's see if it is working or not. See, command not found. What it is showing? Command not found. Why it is not show? Why it is showing this error? Let's see. So here, if you see, I have used dollar symbol for these two numbers, but commonly we haven't provide any brackets for separating this variables. So that's why we got that error. Okay, so to separate them, you need to use another dollar symbol and you need to use double brackets. Okay, so in this way the system can understand, okay, these two variables we need to add, and for that it is using this dollar symbol, this common dollar symbol. Like that the system will think. Okay, so now if I try, see, I'm getting the answer. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So I'm getting the answer. So let's try for subtraction. Okay, I'm using the same variable. Okay, so here I'm giving num3. Okay, no, we will just use the old variable itself. So I'm just creating subtraction. Okay, subtraction equals to $of, okay, double brackets, starting brackets, okay, dollar num1 minus dollar num2. Okay, I'm closing the brackets. Okay, echo dollar subtraction. Okay, I'm just saving it and I am running the file. See, 1 minus 2 is equals to minus 1. I'm getting the subtraction value. Similarly, it is same for multiplication. For multiplication, what we will use? We will use this star symbol. Okay, and for division, you can use this, and for power, you can use double star. Let's try this one because this is new, right? So let's try this if it is working or not. See, 1 power 2 is always 2. Okay, let's try another number. 2 power 2. We can try 2 power 2. Okay, and I'm just saving it, running it. 2 power 2 is 4. We are getting the answer, right? So yeah, this is how we will use arithmetic operation in bash scripting. Okay. So tomorrow we will see about how we will read the input from the user, okay, and how we will implement them in arithmetic operation and also we will see some example in bash scripting, okay. So that's all for today's class. If anyone have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section. I will reply to everyone. Thank you everyone. Bye.